klaseng rules you look forward?
Hello? Mamaya ka na. Ano ba to? Anong klaseng rules? Oo.
Marami na din nagbago sa'yo.
Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng... Pero yung role na binibigay nila sa akin ngayon is very interesting kasi the character is medyo parang cold, wala masyadong... Parang robot siya. Basta yun muna yung yun muna yung pwede ko sabihin. So, it's a different character for me to play. Kasi it seems like I'm more effective sa mga ano yan? Character-driven roles. So, here's another character that's different naman from my personality again. Kasi sometimes it's harder pa to play yung medyo malapit sa'yo eh. Kasi it's confusing, one, two, hindi mo masyado malaro. Unlike yung totally different from you, mas madaling malaro. So I'm excited to do roles that are, like I said, character-driven.
What's the target there?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Kahapon pa pala.
Yesterday.
Kahapon pa pala. Kahapon pa.
Dapat.
Hindi dapat talaga maaga.
Oo.
So ano, impact ng pagiging mom mo sa pagiging accept mo na roles or mga story na?
Like this role, I think mas ano ako ngayon, mas wholesome, may mga kasama akong bata. Kasi parang, for me personally, dati nakikipag-bedsin ako nung
Bolster ng dati.
Yes. Ngayon, since may anak na ako, so medyo, I prefer it naman na mas pangbata, na pwedeng panoorin na anak ko, na hindi naman ako matatakot na huwag mo nang papanood kay Bagets. Hindi, oo. So parang mas okay sa akin yun, sorry.
Does that mean you will still continue Sarap Diva?
Yes, Sarap Diva is still ongoing and we're still doing that. Because that's my regular show. At saka yun kasi, I love doing it na kasi that's me. Oo parang ako yun mismo eh. So walang character yun.
Basically kasi ang mga soaps ng Jen is like 3 days of like non-stop shoot. And then you have a taping for Sarap Diva where you start a day. And then you have the
Another one pa.
show. So that doesn't leave much time there for...
Ang maganda lang kasi I work for 3 to 4 months. So I work in a year ng 3 to 4 months and then I rest. So I, again, will have time with you. Kasi ang soap naman natin hindi naman na forever kagaya ng Diva is not every week. Oo, and Sarap Diva is not every week. We actually take twice a month. So it's okay. It's okay. Kumbaga, I still have time to be with him. Siguro meron akong 3 months or 4 months na talagang medyo bugbog. But after that, I'm able to rest.